Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing this weird ass blue look that this is all inspired by my friend Lani. It's inspired by my pink eyeshadow look. I'll link it right here, where I cut my crease. I did a double cut crease and she went crazy and she asked me to do it in blue because blue is her favorite color. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this. I also use blue as my highlight. Well, yeah, I hope you enjoy this look. And this is so weird. I look so weird, like, oh my god. And please don't mind my hair will wash. We're not gonna talk about that. We're gonna prime our lids first with our concealer. Just gonna spread this all over our eye. As usual, you can use either your eyeshadow base, your P. Louise, your MAC paint, or any other eyeshadow base that you have, or you can use, well, you can use your concealer. Like me, I'm using my LA Girl as usual, my mixture of fawn and my yellow corrector. So for this look, I'm actually going to be going back and forth between my Morphe 35B and my, ooh crap, my James Charles palette. So I'll be using the blues, as you can see, so I'm going back and forth between these two. So first I'm gonna use, okay, let's bring this up. I'm gonna use the navy blue from the 35B. I'm just gonna pack that into my crease. Then we're gonna go to the James Charles palette and we're gonna go into shade Brother and pat that right above that navy blue. And bring these two together. And now we're gonna pack shade Playground right above Brother to create that gradient. To cut our crease, back to our flat brush and our concealer mix. I'm gonna use a smaller mirror, so I'm gonna use this mirror in here. And as usual, I stamp it here and look up. I go in with a tinier brush for a little bit more precision. I'm just join these together. So we're gonna go back in with a navy blue on a small brush, and we're just gonna tuck that right in our outer V. So we're trying to leave some negative space there so that we don't have much work to do to recut our crease when we need to do the glitter liner. We're gonna go back into shade Brother from the James Charles palette and tuck that right next to that navy blue. Again, we're leaving that negative space. Okay, so now we're gonna dip back into shade Playground and tuck that right in the inner corner of our eye. I think my cat just threw up. Are you okay? Did you just, oh, you didn't. Good. So now we're gonna cut our crease again for that glitter liner. So we're gonna go back in with our flat brush. We're just following the same procedure that we do if we're doing liner. And I do have a Instagram pictorial on that, so you can just check out my channel on that pictorial, which shows how I do my eyeliner. So now that we've cut our crease, we're gonna go in with our glitter primer. This is from NYX, the glitter primer. And we're gonna go back to, where is it? I keep losing these things. We're gonna go back to our teeny tiny brush and our mirror, and we are just gonna prime our lids for that glitter. Okay, so before this glitter primer dries, I'm going in with my loose glitter. This is from J Cat. I'm going to use the same brush and just dip it into there and just put this right over where I put that liner. Okay, you see, that's a goddamn thing with glitter. Once you use it, it gets every freaking where. I cannot even. Oh my god. Okay, so we're done with the eyes for now. We're gonna do the rest of our face. Then we're gonna do our bottom lids and highlight and all of that jazz, because John know me, I stressed out with this glitter so close to my eye. Alright, so where's my, as per usual, I'm gonna be using my LA Girl concealer. This is in the shade Toffee. And I'm actually gonna take the shade Beautiful Bronze, that's my actual skin tone shade, and put that in my mustache area. And I'm gonna contour with Mahogany. Actually didn't put any on my forehead because, as you can see, my hair covers my forehead, so I really don't need to. It's just a lazy trick that I have, what I do when I really don't want to waste product and I really don't need to. My forehead is covered. There's glitter in my mouth. Oh my god. So now I'm gonna go in with my powder, which is my Sacha Buttercup. Tap off excess. I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Liner, and this is in Electric, and we're gonna tightline our waterline. First, we're gonna go into the navy blue and tuck that as close to our waterline as possible. we're gonna brush away our excess powder. All of this video is gonna have me glowing and shimmering from glitter, but alright, could I? Brother. Yo, there's glitter in my hair. Shade Acapella from the James Charles palette. I'm just gonna tuck that right in here. Okay, and then we're gonna bronze shade Acapella from the James Charles palette. I'm just gonna tuck that right in here. I'm gonna use some bronzer, and as per usual, I'm using the brown shade from the Zulu palette. And then we're gonna do blush, which is these two shades. So just mix them together. Then for highlight, I'm actually gonna use shade Hello from the James Charles palette. So let's see. And then blend that out. Guys, this is the finished and final look. It's a bit of a weird thing. My lippy, I forgot to film it. My camera chipped out and I didn't realize, but yeah, my lippy is just a mixture of the navy blue from the 35B and Playground from the James Charles palette, along with the shimmer shade, the shimmer blue shade in the 35B as well. So yeah, I didn't have a blue lippy, so I had to create one, but I mean, eyeshadow works as a lippy as well, so I mean, but yeah, this is the final look. I'm kind of digging this blue highlight, which is shade Hello from the James Charles palette. But yeah, you guys can follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram, on Twitter, on Snapchat. I'm also on Facebook, but I don't really use it much. It's just linked to my Instagram, so whatever I post. But yeah, you can check out all my other videos. Follow me on social media at Wallace or at Antisocial Sarcasm on Instagram. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know what you want to see next. And shout out to Lani for asking me to do this look, because like, it started out as just simple eyeshadow, then it turned into a galactic mess wasteland thing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye bye.